Have you ever wondered where our creativity, passion, and emotional energy truly come from? Imagine a hidden energy source within you that governs the flow of all these qualities. Today, we are diving into the Svadhisthana chakra, the second energy center in the body, often called the chakra of flow. Get ready to unlock the secrets of our inner river of emotions and creativity. The name Svadhisthana, Swadhisthana in Sanskrit, literally translates to where the self is established or one's own abode. It's the place within where our sense of self, with all its deepest desires, emotions, and creative energies, reside. Think of it as the wellspring from which our passions flow. Just as a river brings life to everything it touches, Svadhisthana brings color, depth, and vibrancy to our experiences. Svadhisthana is located in the lower abdomen between the coccyx and the sacrum, just below the navel, 2 finger widths above the Muladhara chakra. What lies dormant in the previous Muladhara chakra finds expression. Emotions, creativity, and even our sexual energy converge here. It's the source of our ability to feel deeply, express freely, and connect with the world around us. A balanced Svadhisthana allows us to enjoy life fully, while an imbalance can leave us feeling emotionally blocked or creatively dry. Now, picture a lotus with 6 vibrant petals. Each petal is inscribed with a Sanskrit syllable in the color of lightning, symbolizing different states of the mind, such as desire, pitilessness, all destructiveness, delusion, disdain, and suspicion. These petals represent the obstacles we face on the path to fully realizing our creative and emotional potential. As we work through these layers of Svadhisthana, we find our way to a deeper creative flow. At the very center of this chakra within the lotus is the Beeja mantra Vam, glowing with the purity of moonlight. This seed sound and the crescent moon embodies the essence of the water element, representing the adaptability, fluidity, and cleansing nature of Svadhisthana. As we chant Vam, we invoke the freedom to let our emotions flow and to allow creativity to rise from within, unblocked and uninhibited. This region is presided over by Varuna, the Vedic god of water, who is depicted as a wide, 4-armed deity seated on a crocodile. His presence here reminds us of the powerful and sometimes turbulent currents of emotion and creativity that Svadhisthana governs. Overseeing this chakra's energy is Vishnu, the preserver, embodying balance and harmony. If you're interested in knowing who Vishnu is and to understand some of his avatars or reincarnations, I've described them in this video where we celebrate him and his consort Lakshmi in India's most luminous festival, Deepavali, popularly also known as Diwali here. According to Shat Chakra Nirupana, Shakti resides here as Rakini, also Brahmacharini, representing purity and focused creative energy. In esoteric Buddhism, also known as Vajrayana or Mantrayana, this seat is called the Nirmanakaya, the gross self, or literally the body of creation. Think of Svadhisthana like a river flowing through our lives. When this river flows smoothly, it nourishes every aspect of who we are. Our emotions, dreams, and relationships thrive in its current. But if this river becomes blocked, it can either flood us with overwhelming emotions or dry up, leaving us feeling uninspired and disconnected. Svadhisthana invites us to clear these blockages, allowing our natural flow of energy to bring life to our deepest passions and creativity. This chakra helps us feel connected, passionate, and to be free of inner enemies and false ego, enabling us to be fully alive every day. Each chakra is a step on the path to self-awareness. If you missed it, go and watch my previous video on the Muladhara chakra, the foundation that grounds us and supports all other chakras. Don't forget to stay tuned for the next chakra, Manipura, the seat of personal power and confidence. Share this journey through the chakras with those who seek to understand the deeper energies within. Let's awaken the flow together. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.